Okay, we're gonna do another driving one. We're in Taipa and we're gonna go down to Taipa Village. So right here's the rotary. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to be going to Taipa Village. You can see this is a little part of Taipa as well. Taipa is the southern part, and we're going to be going down this. We're going through a rotary right now, and then you have this sharp turn. I don't know what you think about driving in Macau or China, but we'll show you through this camera lens anyways. Pedestrians have the right of way, so you'll see this quite often, that pedestrians will just walk out in front, especially if there's a crosswalk. Then by law sometimes they'll stop like that too. You think they would just get across the street, but sometimes but actually they definitely have the right of way in this city. So they'll often just stop and kind of go in front of you. If there's a crosswalk, a lot of times they don't even look, they just go right across every single time. We'll probably see that if I keep doing these kind of videos, you'll see that often. And this is going into Taipa Village. There's a little burger shop on the left, and there's a temple also to the left. Beautiful banyan trees. It's a little bit different than my walking videos, but maybe it's kind of interesting to see these as well. And yeah, this is kind of a little narrow one-lane way. I kind of wish they would make this into a pedestrian street, but on the other hand, it's one of the few ways to get into this little Taipa Village area that we're going into now. Kind of nice pastel colors, and it's actually a nice little drive in here. But actually it's even better when you walk it. And let's see, there's a lot of different areas, a lot of different directions I can go once I get up here. I mean, I want to see if I can get up in this one little space. I might try to see if I can do it. But I'm a little bit worried that I might not be able to come out with, I was thinking going to the left here. There's a nice little area in there, but we'll just keep going straight. Actually, these driving videos can kind of go on and on with all the different options here. There's a little dragon park to the right. I'm gonna keep my camera just going focus straight the whole time. It's probably a little bit better. Here's another one of these crosswalks, so these are mostly mainland tourists, Chinese from, luckily they kind of stop a little bit more than so a lot of them kind of stopped and looked. But if I keep doing these driving ones, you'll see a lot of times I don't always do that. And we have a bus in front of us, so we're just gonna wait for that bus to move. That bus should be moved closer to the left so that people can get around them. It's unusual for the buses to block traffic like that on a one-way. But okay, let's keep on going down. So now we're kind of going to this little Taipa Village area. Narrow streets, but this is kind of historical little area. I don't know about historical, but it's very quaint and very much loved. There's a lot of cool stuff in this little area. There's different ways I can go. I kind of wish I could take the camera to the left and right, but I don't want to move it around so much like that. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the left. There's a school to the left. I think this bus kind of routinely blocks traffic. They should pull them over to the left to let people go. But for whatever reason, this bus is not that kind of bus. Anyways, there's a school over there. Plaza to the left. And I think what I'm gonna do is I could go a lot of different ways, but I think I'm gonna go down this way. You see all the motor scooters? So I think it's gonna be kind of tight. Let me see. Yeah, these people, they just kind of jump across, right? If I keep doing these driving videos, you'll see the way pedestrians, their kind of lack of interest in cars. we're not in Taipa Village is very, very pedestrian friendly and walkable. So I won't be able to take the car in there, but we're kind of on the periphery of that. I've always liked these big banyan trees to the left here. Yeah, this road is more cobblestone, so you can hear that that sound, you know, like going over cobblestone kind of feel. I'm gonna be turning this way. So I guess we'll just call this maybe I don't know, maybe I'll just call it Taipa Village, I guess. Usually when I do the walking videos, I usually focus on specific streets, so it's a little bit different when I'm just driving. And there's Galaxy straight ahead, and I'm gonna park there, so we're gonna end it right here. Toma cuidado la